Welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. What I want to put on the table today, it's a Tuscan chicken. Alright, I'm going to jump right in and get this Tuscan chicken going. Hope everyone's staying safe, staying blessed as always. So let's marinate this Tuscan chicken. I'll show you guys my recipe step by step. Alright. So what I got here is 4 pieces of chicken breasts. I cut them in half, really thin. We're gonna cook them right in, on the stove top right here. So I cut them in half so they can cook evenly. All right. I don't want to put them in the oven. And the sauce gonna make right in the pan right here. I'm using the cast iron. So I'm just gonna get my spices on this chicken right here. This is a tablespoon of chicken spice I got right here and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Gonna get that right on. And I got a teaspoon of Greek blended mix and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Oregano, I got 1 teaspoon. Paprika, I got 1 tablespoon right here. Gives it some nice color. And I'm gonna drizzle olive oil over this. And that's about 3 tablespoons of olive oil just to marinate the chicken. I'm just gonna mix this right in. And these spices that I use, they have salt, so feel free to add salt to your taste. And I also put 2 cloves of garlic I mince, fresh garlic I put inside here as well. So this is getting nice and hot. Just gonna put a tablespoon of butter right in here. Gonna melt that down nicely. We're just gonna go ahead and add our chicken to this skillet here. So while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna cut up some tomatoes here. I'm using grape tomatoes. Normally for this recipe, guys, I use sun-dried tomatoes, but switch it up today. I'm using grape tomatoes, all right? You can use whatever rocks your boat. We have just some spinach I cut up right here. That's gonna go right in the sauce. It's gonna be a creamy sauce going with it. Creamy Tuscan chicken. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these chicken from the pot here. We're going to serve this with fettuccine. Alright, so we got the chicken done. I'm going to add a little bit of, maybe about a tablespoon of minced onions. The same pot right here. Teaspoon more garlic. Chop a piece of onion in that. Just gonna add some cream to this. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. And it depends on the amount of sauce that you guys are looking for. Got a little bit more cream. For me, I'm using about a cup and a half of cream right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes to this. And my spinach. And I'm going to put a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese right in this. How beautiful that sauce looks, guys. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and add this chicken right inside the sauce right here. This beautiful sauce. All the tomatoes and the spinach. As I said, sun-dried tomato is the ideal for this recipe. I'll just switch it up today to use up my grape tomatoes. Drain all the beautiful juice from the chicken right back inside that sauce. And I'm just going to shut it right off. Looking so good. Wow. That's looking good. So that's my creamy Tuscan chicken. We're going to get it on a plate right now with the fettuccine pasta. Okay. It's time to get this beautiful fettuccine on the plate. Get a nice, just twirl it so it stays up Right, and we're gonna get some chicken right on. Beautiful piece of chicken. We'll go right on top. Let me get some sauce on that. Beautiful. Looking good. I'm gonna get some more sauce right on there. Just let the sauce drain right down through the pasta. That's how you share the love. Wonderful. That's what we're talking about right there. If you want to make it look prettier. So guys, that's your creamy Tuscan chicken right there. Served with the fettuccine. Looking beautiful. Guys, I'm going to dig in right now and try a piece. Guys, take a look at this plate. I'm just trying some without the pasta. Looks amazing. I know it tastes amazing. As I said, I always do it with sun-dried tomato, guys. So you can use sun-dried tomato or some grape tomatoes or regular tomatoes if you guys want. A choice of your own. Wow. Still amazing without the sun-dried tomato. It's really good. This has love in it. Wow. So listen, you gotta go enjoy the love right here. So thanks for watching. Like, share the videos, subscribe to the channel. If you're new and you're watching, don't forget to hit that red button, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell, share it. Thanks for watching again. I'll catch you with in another amazing video with another